accidentally deactivated your Facebook page and now you're panicking. Don't worry, we're here to guide you through reactivating it in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Facebook and log in using the credentials associated with the account that manages your deactivated page. This is crucial for regaining access. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings menu, look for a small downward-facing arrow in the top right corner of your screen, click it, and then select Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Privacy tab. This is where you'll find the information related to your Facebook account activity and settings. Look for your Facebook information. Here, you'll find the Reactivation section. It might be labeled something like Deactivation and Deletion. Click on View next to this option. On the Deactivation page, you will see the Reactivate button next to your deactivated page. Click on the Reactivate button. Facebook may ask you to complete a security check to verify your identity. This might involve solving a CAPTCHA, answering security questions, or confirming your email address or phone number. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Before your page is fully reactivated, take a moment to review Facebook's policies and community standards. Making sure your page complies with these guidelines will prevent future deactivations. And that's it. Your Facebook page should now be reactivated. Give it a few minutes to fully restore, and then double-check to ensure everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, visit Facebook's Help Center for further assistance.